Hello kids, how are you all? I hope you all are doing good. Children, as you all are aware that we were doing revision of our GK book, and in that row today we are going to do this page that is related to computers, and after that we are going to take the next page. So now first of all children, introduction about computers that you have done in your computer class also. Who invented computer or who is known as father of computer, that also you have done many times. I've told you also Charles Babbage. Charles Babbage is known as father of the computers. Now here children, today we are going to do few of the questions related to computers. Choose the correct options. Number 1, which part of the computer is like the screen of a television and shows us text and images? Now here the first question, which part of the computer is like the screen of a television and shows us text and images? Now here option A is printer, B mic and C is monitor. So yes, you all are knowing the answer of this question, that is monitor. Monitor is just like a screen of a television and we can see movies, we can play games, we can see the text which we are typing, we can see the drawing, the pictures, whatever we were doing on computer, that we can see on this screen. Number 2, which part of the computer is known as its brain? See children, brain means that whole computer is going to control by that particular part. See, our body is also controlled by our brain. Brain is working like a controlling system for our whole body. Whatever happens in our body, we are getting signal, our body is getting signal from the brain itself. So just like that, in computer also, one part which is known as its brain. So which part is that? Now here is A keyboard, B mouse and C central processing unit, that is CPU. So yes children, CPU is considered as its brain. Now central processing unit, full form of CPU, that also you have to remember, that is CPU, full form of CPU is central processing unit. Now number 3, which of the following activities cannot be performed on a computer? Now here you can see the activities. Playing music, yes we can do it. Heating food, no. For heating food we required microwave oven or we can use gas stove. That we cannot done on computer. You cannot keep your food on computer and it will be getting heated. No, not possible. See painting. So painting also we can do it in computer. So what is the question, that which of the following activities cannot be performed on a computer? So here the correct answer is B, heating food. We cannot heat food on the computer. Now next is your activity time. I hope you all have already done this activity. Those who have not done, they will complete it. What is that activity? Color the number keys in red the letter or the alphabet keys with blue, space bar with green, and the enter key with yellow color. Now children, here you can see a picture of a keyboard. Now I hope you all have seen keyboard at your home also. If you do not have computer, you have seen the picture of keyboard. Right now on the screen also we were having a picture of keyboard. Now here this keyboard is not that exact picture of that keyboard. Might be you will be having keyboard at home in which you will be having many more keys, but this is a basic example of keyboard. Now here you can see number keys, means you can see two places where you will find it out, this number keys. Here on the right side of this keyboard you will be getting this number keys 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. All these numbers were there. And above also, above the alphabet keys, you can series, you can be getting that a series of number keys 1, 2, 3, 4 up to 0. And then we have special symbol like addition, equal to, and other symbols, subtraction and all. And then up and down keys, delete keys, insert key, and page up and down, and many more keys were there. That space bar key, which is the longest key on the keyboard, that is very important. Which key is the longest key on the keyboard? That is your space bar key, that you have to remember. Then we have enter key. If you have to move to the next line, you are supposed to press enter, and then you are going to shift to the next line. Many more keys, alphabets, all the 26 alphabets were there, A to Z, A, B, C, you can find it out, all the alphabet keys. Caps lock key, which will help you to write all the alphabets in capital. So these were the keys of keyboard. Now what is the basic requirement of this keyboard? See, if you want to play a few of the games, that games were not be operated on mouse, that games you can operate with the help of keyboard. Secondly, if you want to type anything, आपको अपना नाम भी लिखना है तो आप कैसे लिखोगे? How will you write it? You cannot write it down with your mouse. You required this alphabet keys, and you can find it out. आपका स्कूल में जब एग्ज़ाम होता है and you are getting that report card, all these feeding of marks will be done with this keyboard only. आपको कुछ भी नंबर्स डालने हैं, उसमें नंबर्स एंटर करने हैं, आपको लेटर लिखना है, फॉर दैट यू रिक्वायर दैट कीबोर्ड. आप ऐसे नहीं लिख सकते हैं. फाइन. So that is the basic necessity, basic requirement of keyboard. That's why this keyboard attachment is there. Okay, now how many types of like computer you have seen nowadays? Nowadays you can find it out many types of computer. Like we'll have laptop, we have small tab also there, then PC we are already having. So we are nowadays we have different types of computers which were working. Nowadays we are getting such kind of a phones which are having such kind of a processor that is equivalent to your personal computer or PC. So here you will revise few more things related to parts of computer from your book as well as from your computer book. And one important question, that who is known as the father of computer, that is Charles Babbage. I have already told you. Now children, will move to our next page for today's class. So we'll start with that next page now. Now next page is related to your TikTok. TikTok means time. Now look at the clock. Whatever activities we were doing in a day, for doing that activity we have a particular time. Now here TikTok. Why we have used this word TikTok? TikTok because all the clock were moving with this kind of a sound. Tick tock, tick tock. That's why we have taken this TikTok word. Now look at the clock to write the time for the following activities. Now, if I talk about clock, you can see in the clock 3 hands were there. Short hand, which represent hour, long hand, which represent minute, and one second hand, that एक और जो पतली सी एकदम आपका hand होता है, that is your second hand. So now here question 1, it is time to get up and get ready for school. What time is it now? It is time to get up and get ready for school. What time is it now? So here you can see in the picture a boy who wake up at this time, and now this time is for getting up and get ready for school. It means that time will be in the morning 6 o'clock. You can see the time on the clock also. Here the time showing short hand on 6 and long hand is on 12. So the time is 6 o'clock. Now let's come to next time. It is time to have breakfast. What time is it now? Now at what time we were taking breakfast? At 7 o'clock in the morning. So here you will write 7 o'clock. As we were writing in maths also, na? And the same only you are going to write the time 7 o'clock. Now next is, it is time to have lunch. What time is it now? Now at what time we were having lunch means after 12 noon we were having lunch. So what is the time here? The time is 1 o'clock. Then next number 4, it is time to go out and play. It is time to go out and play. What time is it now? So at what time we were playing outside? So we were playing outside in the evening. So here the timing is 5 o'clock. You can see that short hand is on whichever number and long hand is on 12. So that many o'clock you are going to write. So we were playing outside at 5 o'clock. So now children, next is, it is time to have dinner. What time is it now? That is short hand, you can see it is on 8 and long hand is on 12. So what is the time here? The time is 8 o'clock. 8 o'clock. So here this is your dinner time. 8 o'clock is your dinner time, and at that time we were taking our dinner. Now children, here one important question which will be there in your mind, that why all these times or why this timing is required. We can do any work at any time. No, that will not be correct. The whole day is divided into a certain time duration, and taking your meal time is also decided. Going to school, nobody is coming to school at night. You were coming to school in the morning, and you have a particular duration of hours in the school, you were taking lunch, you are playing, and all these activities. When once you reach home, then at night you were taking dinner. Once you will reach home, you will not start taking dinner at that time. Dinner, that is supposed to take it at night only. So the whole day is to utilize the day in a proper way. We'll do important activities during the day. We did not skip any important work. We were dividing that whole day into these time format. And in the next class, you are going to learn about the time duration also, and what is the time which we are supposed to write it in AM and PM and all. That also you will do it. So children, now we'll start our next topic of today. So children, next topic for today's revision class is guessing countries. The city and the landmark in each row to the same country. Fill in the boxes to write the names of the countries and they are found in. Now children, you have been given with the name of cities as well as one of the landmark of that particular city which were found over there, and you have to find it out by utilizing that clue and utilizing that landmark, that in which country they belongs to or they are found in. Now use the words in the help box also. Now here first picture which you can see and name of the city, that is Sydney, and the first picture you can see that is of Sydney Opera House. Sydney Opera House, you can see now more clearer. Sydney Opera House. Now what is Opera House? Opera House is just like an open theatre, and there the people or the huge concert were organizing, and live all the performance you can see in that opera house live. Let's say if like some movie kind of a thing will be there, कोई theater है या कोई show है, that will be happened over there live. वहाँ पे scenes एक के बाद एक आपके create किए जाते हैं, and that is live to everyone. Mostly singing concert were happening over there. वहाँ पे जो singers हैं they were coming, like आपका इंडिया में भी we were having different concerts. Just like that, in that opera house, they were organizing different concerts, different theaters were happening over there. And these theaters have their particular theme and all the setup along with them. Now this Sydney and this Sydney Opera House belongs to which country? That is Australia. Australia, Australia, Australia. Now the spelling of Australia you can see from the help box also, which is given on the same page. Australia, that is also given. Now Sydney is the capital city of Australia also. Now we'll come to next one, that is number 2, that is Kuala Lumpur. Now capital city of Kuala Lumpur, that is Kuala Lumpur is the capital city of Malaysia, Malaysia, Malaysia. You can see the spelling from the help box and you can write down in the boxes, those who have not done till now. Now here the example or the landmark from Kuala Lumpur that is taken, that is Petronas Tower. Petronas Tower is also called Twin Tower. Petronas Tower is also called Twin Tower, and it is a little bit थोड़ा सा टेढ़ा है ये पेट्रोनस टावर, एंड हैंगिंग थोड़ा सा ऐसे एक थोड़ा सा एज लेकर के है ये. And this Kuala Lumpur, this Petronas Tower is a quite famous landmark in Malaysia, in the capital city of Malaysia, that is Kuala Lumpur. Now we'll come to next, Burj Khalifa, the highest tower or highest building, tallest building in the world, that is Burj Khalifa. And where it is, that is in UAE, United Arab Emirates. Now United Arab Emirates, the capital city of United Arab Emirates is Dubai. Just like Dubai, we have 7 small Emirate cities which were united, and then Arab cities which were ruled by different sheikhs and Arab people. They were united, and then one big city, a huge city was formed, that is called United Arab Emirates. And the capital city of UAE, that is United Arab Emirates, is Dubai, where you will find it out, this Burj Khalifa. Now next is number 4, Mumbai. Mumbai is a city from India, 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 and here you can see the picture of Gateway of India. Quite famous place of our country, that is Gateway of India. And this Gateway of India was constructed at the time of Britishers. Many of time I have told you that Britishers were ruling our country for about 200 years, and within that 200 years, when Queen Elizabeth is about to come to our country, then they had a thought that for welcoming Queen Elizabeth, they have created this Gateway of India, because at that time we do not have that aeroplane and all these. So on the path of sea, she is coming, and to welcoming her, they have created this Gateway of India, and that is situated in Mumbai. Don't get confused with India Gate and Gateway of India. India Gate is there in Delhi, New Delhi, राजपथ पे है, जहाँ पे आप जब 26 जनवरी होती है तो the parade was happened at Rajpath, and India Gate is there. Now number 5, that is London. The name of the city is London. Landmark is Buckingham Palace. Buckingham Palace. And in which city it is situated? Buckingham Palace is again the queen of that England. She is residing in this Buckingham Palace, and it is situated in England. In England, that is their Buckingham Palace, ENGLAND, England. Now the spellings of these countries you can see from that help box if you have any doubt. Very important to remember all these names, like Sydney. Sydney is situated in Australia, and Sydney Opera House is one of the huge and very important place of Sydney. See why these opera houses were famous. These opera houses, if I'll tell you that what is the need of these opera house, that will be quite interesting for you all, because you all are the children of this generation where we have monitor, LED and all these screen. Fine, आपको picture देखने के लिए movie theater and all these things were there. 3D, 4D, 5D theaters were there. But आपने you all have heard, अभी तो दशहरा, just now the दशहरा was happened, तो दशहरा अभी हुआ है, तो आपने रामलीला के बारे में ज़रूर सुना होगा. That is, all the live characters were playing the role of Ram, Sita and all, or that story is an act on that platform. So what is the motive behind it? See, in many part earlier, not only in India but in other countries also, they do not have such kind of schools and villages and all. So how they will communicate their thoughts, और अगर उन्होंने अगर ये देखना है कि how they will talk about, like not only Ramayana, how they will talk about their social issues, like अगर हमें दिखाना है कि बच्चों को पढ़ाना चाहिए, गरीबी है या वी आर नॉट लिटरेट, या ऐसे करके जो भी परेशानियां हमें आ रही हैं, और जो भी सोशल फॉल्ट्स हैं हमारे, तो हम उसको इनेक्ट करके वी कैन टेल देम इन अ वे ऑफ स्टोरी. Let's say we'll take one example where Sydney Opera House is there. Like if they want to motivate that send your girl child also to school, so they will enact according to that basic theory, and उस पे कोई भी एक थिएटर they will do it and they'll perform it. सो हमारे यहाँ पे इंडिया में अगर हम लोग बोलें तो व्हाट आर द ओपन थिएटर, लाइक नुक्कड़ नाटक वी हैव, मेनी ओपन थिएटर्स आर ऑल्सो देयर इन इंडिया ऑल्सो. बट दिस सिडनी ओपेरा हाउस इज़ क्वाइट फेमस. ये लोटस की शेप में है एंड दैट इज़ क्वाइट गुड काइंड ऑफ ए सीट्स एंड ऑल दीज ड्यूरेशन की. वहाँ पे वो जो उसकी बनावट है, जो इसका द आर्किटेक्चर है, दैट इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. आर्किटेक्चर ऐसा है कि दैट ईच एंड एवरी साउंड रिफ्लेक्ट होके दैट साउंड कैन बी हर्ड बाय ईच एंड एवरी वन. आपको वहाँ पे बहुत ज़्यादा शोर करने की या कुछ करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. दैट योर मैसेज कैन बी कम्युनिकेटेड एंड दैट इज़ having many space to sit many people. So these are the few important things related to all these open theatre, opera house. Then Kuala Lumpur Petronas Tower, थोड़ा सा ये एक तरफ झुका हुआ है. while making that Petronas Tower, this formation was made to support the first tower. That second tower was made. That's why this Petronas Tower is a little bit tilted from one side, and it is situated in the capital city of Malaysia, that is Kuala Lumpur. Now children will come to next. Burj Khalifa, the tallest building in the world, that is situated in Dubai. And Dubai is one of the Arab Emirates of UAE, United Arab Emirates. As I told you कि 7 different Arab Emirates were there, which were ruled by different Arab people, but they were combined and then one Arab Emirates was formed. So that is UAE. Number 4, Mumbai. In Mumbai we have Gateway of India, which was formed by Britishers to welcome Queen Elizabeth, and it is situated in India. Then London, Buckingham Palace, quite important place where again Queen Victoria was living over there, and it is there in England. See the spelling, you can see from this help box also if you have any doubt. So this Buckingham Palace. So now with this, children, what we have done today, we have done many pages today. Many means 3 pages. First page, that is related to computer, then second, that is related to your time, and this third, that is your guessing countries. So you all will revise this page. Right now I am going to finish our class here. That's all for today, children. Have a good day.